Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is day 22 and this is what's left of yesterday's hairstyle. So I'm going to just make a slight variation for today's hairstyle. And it will simply be, first I'm going to just brush it up. You know, I slept with a bonnet on instead of a scarf. So I'm just going to brush it up. And instead of doing a bang, I'm going up, I'm going to do hanging down bangs today. So long bangs, not really bangs, just hair hanging down in the front. I'm gonna part it in the middle. Shout out to Monique from Instagram who sent me some hairstyle inspiration yesterday. And this is actually from, I think it's a slight difference from what she sent, but I think the hair might have been out. So I'm just gonna go like this. And I always, when I twist my hair like this, I always twist backwards on this one because I like it to go the same direction, like backwards on this way and backwards on this one. Because I don't normally twist this way. But you get the idea. That's why it's taking me so long. This bun, I didn't realize that it was like, anyway, it was a little off center, but I just kind of pushed it over. So that was a quick change. So here's what we have. You can put your beads on. Y'all know I like beads, but not tonight. So here we go. I'm gonna spin. So that is our style for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. It was really quick. If you missed yesterday's style, you could look down in the description box. I do have the playlist for the whole 22 days, so you can check it out. And I do these videos daily, like these aren't pre-recorded. So if you appreciate that, subscribe. If you appreciate these videos, give it a thumbs up. Also comment, share. All those things are greatly appreciated. And I hope everyone has a wonderful evening, and I hope to see you all tomorrow. Bye.